Hey guys, so here I am with this cordless paint sprayer, and we're gonna check it out here. It's compatible with Dewalt, I see. So let's take it out and take a look at what we got here. Sweet. I already like the color of it. So here it is. Yeah, it's got a nice little feel here. This is what it looks like. I have the gloves here. Comes with, let's see what accessories it comes with. Comes with gloves. And then, not exactly sure what this is, but I'm sure if you're a painter, you know. And then this is just to fill up the gun itself. And then these other top nozzles. So these are just different nozzles that it comes with. And there's that. There's gray. There's a gray one here, and then a blue one here. These are different nozzles. Okay. So let me go grab. I'll show you guys sort of how it works. Let's see. I'm gonna open this up. I'm just gonna put some water in here right now because I don't have anything I'm necessarily painting. Hey, so I'm back and here it is, and I got it working. So I'll do a little example of it on here. So there you go. So it totally works, and it's sweet, and it's honestly like not as loud as I would expect for a little wireless paint gun. So it's sweet. I mean, it definitely works, and it came with all these different nozzles and such. And then obviously it came with a viscosity. So this is to see if your viscosity is right. So you pour the paint in here and then let it drip and see if it's and you count the time between the drips to see if the viscosity is right for the gun. So that's perfect. It comes with everything. And I'd say this is sweet, so I'd give it a thumbs up, that's for sure.